Online surveys have become an increasingly popular method for gathering valuable information from participants. Whether it's for market research, academic studies, or other purposes, the data collected from online surveys can provide insights that help businesses and organizations make informed decisions. However, there are several common mistakes that can hinder your online survey earnings, and it's important to identify and avoid them in order to maximize the impact of your survey. Types of online surveys. Before we dive into the common mistakes to avoid, let's first identify the types of online surveys we're referring to. Online surveys can vary widely depending on their purpose and target audience. Some common types of online surveys include market research surveys, academic surveys, customer satisfaction surveys, and employee engagement surveys. Common mistakes. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the common mistakes that can hinder your online survey earnings. These mistakes can lead to low response rates, inaccurate data, and a general lack of engagement from participants. Here are a few examples. Poor survey design. A poorly designed survey can lead to confusion and frustration among participants, resulting in low response rates and inaccurate data. Common design mistakes include using vague or confusing language, asking too many questions, or failing to provide clear instructions. Lack of incentive. Without a compelling reason for participants to take your survey, you may struggle to attract a sufficient number of responses. Offering incentives such as gift cards, discounts, or other rewards can help motivate participants to take your survey. Limited distribution. If you fail to distribute your survey widely enough, you may not receive enough responses to make the data meaningful. Be sure to promote your survey through multiple channels, such as email, social media, and online ads. Inappropriate targeting. If you're not targeting the right audience for your survey, you may receive responses from people who are not representative of your target demographic. Be sure to carefully define your target audience and use appropriate targeting methods to reach them. Tips and strategies. So how can you avoid these common mistakes and maximize your online survey earnings? Here are a few tips and strategies to keep in mind. Invest in survey design. Take the time to design your survey carefully, using clear language and concise questions. Consider using a professional survey tool that provides templates and best practices for survey design. Offer incentives. Consider offering incentives such as gift cards or discounts to encourage participation. Be sure to clearly communicate the incentive in your survey promotion. Promote widely. Use multiple channels to promote your survey, including email, social media, and online ads. Be sure to target your promotion to the appropriate audience. Target appropriately. Define your target audience carefully and use appropriate targeting methods to reach them. Consider using a survey tool that provides targeting options based on demographic data. Case studies and success stories. To illustrate the impact of avoiding these common mistakes, let's look at a few case studies and success stories. For example, a market research company that invested in high-quality survey design saw a significant increase in response rates and improved data quality. Similarly, an e-commerce company that offered a discount to customers who completed a satisfaction survey saw a boost in customer loyalty and repeat business. Online surveys can be a valuable tool for gathering information and making informed decisions. However, common mistakes such as poor survey design, lack of incentive, limited distribution, and inappropriate targeting can hinder your online survey earnings. By investing in survey design, offering incentives, promoting widely, and targeting appropriately, you can avoid these mistakes and maximize the impact of your online survey.